River, can you eat the corn without spitting it this time? There you go. What in the Sam Nations is going on?
Like a pig over here too.
Are you okay over there, sweet child? Huh?
It's almost firewood.
Almost there, Train.
Put it in your mouth and quit spitting it at me.
River, you are so darn funny. You know that?
Hey, if you sit next to her.
I don't want to sit next to the corn chucker.
You can get this campsite next year. You should try tomorrow.
Corn chucker spitter at me.
Good Lord, River.
Calendar for July, the Saturday before the 4th, whatever day that is. Probably going to be like the 2nd or 1st, right?
Yeah.
Sure. Does that back up a day?
I don't know.
It's not great.
How's that corn, River?
It's not great.
Oh my Lord, River!
Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord, River.
I'm going to. Ouch, Elsa! Elsa's biting my feet.
What in
Don't get for corn.
What the hell is going on here?
I got Elsa eating my feet. We're gonna spill corn on us.
Oh my
This is not. I'm going to sit where you're at, Billy. And you come over here by the corn.
Oh my Lord. Lord almighty. Oh my Lord.
We're not sitting next to you anymore.
Elsa nips. And then now Elsa's nipping at Grandma's heels.
I know.
Oh Lord, that's
My
funny.
feet.
That's absolutely funny there.
Next year,
Oh Lord.
4th of July
Oh,
on
Lord.
Monday. So you want
Oh,
July
Lord.
2022, July 2nd, dude.
Elsa, come here.